goal tree is a straightforward way of depicting the goal, critical success factors, and necessary conditions of any organizational system. Any system at all, for that matter. It's a visual image that starts with the system's goal at the top. Immediately below that are 3 to 5 critical success factors, and below those lie the key necessary conditions supporting the achievement of those critical success factors. In its entirety, the goal tree establishes the benchmark for success. In other words, desirability for the system. As with any benchmark in any other environment, it says nothing about what's actually happening in the system. All it does is define in some detail what should be happening if the system is to succeed in achieving its goal. The goal tree provides you clues about the key entering arguments for both the current reality tree and the evaporating cloud that follows. More than 60 years ago, Professor Peter Drucker differentiated between efficiency and effectiveness this way. Efficiency is doing things right, that is, the correct way. Effectiveness, he said, is doing the right things. In other words, a lot of time and resources can be wasted trying to do more efficiently something that should not be done at all, or perhaps the wrong thing. In its best application, a goal tree can help ensure that we're working on the things that really need to be fixed, not the ones that may be of only marginal use in achieving the goal.